Welcome to today's video, ladies and gents. Today is the day. We're in the Z. We're off to pick up the Pulsar. Good news, right? Good news and bad news. I've got the bill. Got to pay that invoice today, which will be coming up in a future video. I think you guys will be surprised at how much it costs. I'm not going to lie. If you're new here, I am going to go pick up a freshly built, fully forged Nissan Pulsar GTiR. It was really cheap. It's no longer really cheap. It's been away getting a full engine rebuild, and I mean like a full engine rebuild. It's even got a, well, it's not a forged crank. It's a factory crank. It's got forged rods and pistons and metal head gaskets and stuff like that in it. There's just there's a lot of glare. So yeah, if you're new here, we're going to go pick that up today. It's been gone from the channel for months on end, like a long time, not a short time. So we're going to go get that now. It needs to have run-in time. We're going to go meet Nick there as well, so that's going to be good fun. So yeah, let's basically just bugger off and go get it then. So the plan is also to leave this car there, because this, I've been saying for weeks, this car needs some work, because the front end feels like the bushings or the ball joints are wrecked on it, so it needs some work. And then we're just going to drive the car back, do its run-in, and then take it back to do its oil change and turn the boost up, basically. So it's had one oil change from its engine rebuild. I need to run it in, run the clutch in as well, actually. It's a brand new clutch. And then do all of that and then send it back. So yay, I'm happy, but I'm also not happy because of the invoice, which you'll see in a future video. I'm not gonna lie, it's a lot. It's a lot of money. A lot of money. So spoiler alert for a future video. Let's go off to Horsham and show you some awesome cars. Here he is, it's Nick. We're here with the Pulsar. How's it going, mate?
It's going away.
Well, no one's seen you.
I've got to shout at everything.
You do, but no one's seen you for a little while anyway.
Yeah, I'm still alive.
Yeah. Did you see the video I did yesterday?
Yes.
Yeah. I just thought I'd update everyone.
Yeah.
Thought I'd just get out
just
quickly.
Show off your new house.
No, I didn't show it. Didn't show off. Anyway, here's the Pulsar. There's a really filthy Z, which is very embarrassing.
For a brown motif. It's horrible.
Yes, poo brown. She looks better than I remember. I mean, she doesn't.
No.
But she does look better than I remember. It's been so long.
I can't remember this being there, but it was.
No, it definitely was, because I was afraid of cleaning it. We still haven't cleaned this, which will be fun. Well, I will clean it. Oh, it's nice to see it though. Nice to have it back.
The seats need doing again.
What?
Look, the stains seem to come back a little bit.
Oh yeah. Well, I need to do the Z seats anyway, to be fair. Yeah, it is good to see it. It's nice. I mean, it is nice. What, the bonnet? You mean carbon? Or the engine?
Under the bonnet.
Oh, whatever.
Bloody hell.
Anyway, so we're here now. I've driven a little bit quicker than I was expecting.
You already introduced this, I'm guessing you did.
Yeah, I quickly
I
introduced it because they know that I've got to leave the Z here, obviously, just to see how much it's going to cost.
Using non-binary terms. They.
They, them, yeah. Anyway, it's 2022, ladies and gents.
Oh, you said how much it costs?
No, that's a separate video. I'm literally going to sit down and break it all down.
That's that many things he needs to sit down.
Well, no, but a lot of people well, a lot of YouTubers will do those videos and you won't know how much they've got for free. None of this is for free. But no, it's important that people know because these cars are rare, they're hard to upkeep.
I think you've had some stickers for free, haven't you? For how much you spent?
No, I haven't.
Have you not had
What stickers?
in the Tommy stuff. Or is that not for this? That's not for this car.
That's not for this car, mate. Anyway, so we will be doing a price breakdown. Well, I will be. Maybe if you're around, we'll do it together just to discuss it because that'd be quite funny, to be honest. But today's really just picking it up and having a look over. Nick rightfully said, the seats do need going over again. Some reason why? A bit confused with that. Hey? What about the license plate? The P, yeah, that's actually in there. So I'll be doing that. Yeah, and you know, we unhooking the bumper. There's lots to do on this car now that it's back. So unhooking the bumper, got to do like tiger seal on the grate, get a new grate, paint it. Grill. Yeah, I mean it is a grate, isn't it? But like a bit chicken wire grate. You know the one that hexagonal one. Less like that. Yeah, one that actually doesn't look like shit. Paint that up and then tiger seal on the back because that's flexible. And then kind of enjoy it really. Do the miles on it. There's so much stuff. We've got to do the big brake kit before it comes back for its tuning. Well, yeah, because otherwise, what's the point? Like it's got to be tuned, and then it's going to be too quick for the. Well, it's too quick for the brakes anyway. So.
You're just going to be very gentle. Hello.
Just multiple walkarounds.
Yes. You've got to be very, very gentle.
Well, we don't know yet. I don't know, but yeah, basically, got to be pretty gentle. Like the videos on this for now in terms of driving are not going to be fun, but they'll be interesting, discussing what you need to do when you've had an engine rebuild, basically. Well, it is interesting. I've never done it. Have you? No.
I could never afford it.
I mean, you can. No, you can. You're going to be soon, mate, because of your R33. So yes.
Rebuild that. I'll just buy a crappy second-hand one and go for 96. Oh, it's all 350s. I've already had a look. Or what might be a 370, but it is 350.
Yeah, no, that's a 370. I can see the wheels.
There you go. So
anyway, so I'll catch up with you guys in a minute. Maybe we can get the rundown from Jez.
Isn't it? Hello, ladies and gents. We're in the Pulsar. And how's that oil on there?
that might have always been there, mate.
Maybe.
It's always been like that.
Oh, that's nice, isn't it? It's nice to be back, isn't it?
Yeah, it is nice, and it doesn't smell like shit this time.
No,
we
yeah,
cleaned
true.
it properly. There are a little bit stains, but it's and I like this.
Yeah, you haven't seen this, have you?
No, I like that.
So we're talking about the shift knob.
Gear knob,
shift knob, whatever. Yeah, it's nice to be in it again. It's I missed this car. Not that I really experienced it much.
So we've been talking about all
that's
this.
hard.
I was going to say,
Jesus, I'm just feeling it's got a brand new clutch, but that's really hard.
I guarantee you stall it first drive off.
Well, I normally drive my semi-auto, don't I? So yeah, you're probably right.
It'd be funny.
Oh, I forgot how nice these seats are as well.
So he has to not go over 3,500, which is going to be quite difficult because that's low down.
Well, especially in the SR20 because the SR20 does like to rev out as well.
And you want to avoid motorways.
Yeah, so basically normal. Jez said normal driving. I was going to get him to explain, but we did it so quickly. Just paid the bill and sort of left. So it's normal driving, but it's not normal driving because obviously us petrol heads would drive a little bit more, right foot heavy. But so basically, you can't stay at a certain rev for too long. It's about putting the car
through every version of
through the rev range.
He has to vary it basically. Yes.
Yeah, and just being careful with it.
For 500 miles, well, maximum 500.
300 to 500 miles,
yeah.
But it's booked back in literally 2 weeks' time.
Yeah, just 2 weeks, isn't
Which is epic. So it's going to be completely done in 2 weeks, and we've got content leading all the way up to there. So there won't be a break. I've filmed so much stuff. Yeah, there's a lot. Well, because I wanted to kick the ground running and you just bloody fucking balls to the wall with the content. I am excited.
Can't get his words out.
This has been a long time coming, this car, isn't it?
Should we do a first start? Do you want to see a first start? I'm like, do you want to see a first start?
Yeah, let's do a first start. I'll give it to Nick.
Silly beep.
That sounds smooth. That sounds really nice, doesn't it? Revs just picked up like they would normally. It's a cold start, isn't it? So they picked Like an idiot.
Look, it sounds great.
That's nice. Isn't it so smooth? It's just
It's nice.
it just rumbles nicely. That's good.
You're actually going to get to drive it. This is going to be your first drive.
Yeah, a proper drive. Yeah. That's really, really good. Well, the first drive is actually, ladies and gents, if you want to watch the first drive, that's actually next video. I'm cock teasing. Next video is the actual first drive. This is just picking it up, having a look. But that sounds really, really nice. Doesn't it just? That sounds fantastic.
I love it.
What's any like smoke fumes? I mean, I'm assuming it's fine. Yeah,
I don't know. Nothing.
Ladies and gents, this is what a properly timed. Oh, sorry,
It doesn't sound like tapping. There's no tapping at all, is it? Nothing.
Yeah, there's not.
No, it's silent.
That's amazing. That's so good.
It's actually really quiet at the front. I can hear the fan.
Yeah. That's awesome.
What a good job.
What? Yeah, I mean, it should be for the price, future video. But no, I mean, Horsham developments are fantastic, and I explained in the video why it's taken so long. It's not, it truly isn't their fault. So many delays, and those delays then obviously other work has to be prioritised on top of it. It's a working garage, so it makes sense.
But it's done now.
It is done.
Almost.
Well, probably done 2 weeks time, and then we get to really take it out. 350 in this.
And then how many days after that until Japfest? So
don't
another
know.
2 weeks. It's 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
Is it?
Yeah. I think Japfest is the 10th. It's the 10th of April.
Well, there you go. We're going to Japfest, ladies and gents, so you'll be able to see this at Japfest.
Yep.
Yeah.
And the Skyline stand.
Yeah, and well, it's baby Skyline, baby GTiR.
Yeah, exactly. Well, that's why they let you in, mate.
Hey,
That's why they let you in.
is it?
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah, they were like this mini Skyline.
I
Definitely.
mean, it is a mini.
Yeah. That's cool.
Yeah, do you want to pop back in? We'll sort of round out the video, I guess. I love this. How cool is that? So anyway, ladies and gents, next video is first drive, so please do stay tuned for that. Then the video after that
Your second drive.
is no. So I think the next video after that will either be, depending on whether we can get together or not, the price breakdown.
Oh, that'd be fun.
How much this has truly cost, and literally the invoice is right here. So we're reading off the invoice. You can see it. Well, not see it all, but we'll read it all off. And that's completely paid for. It's not. There's been no sponsorship with that. I wish we could get sponsors. That'd be great. And then we're also taking this to a car show this weekend as well, because it needs to get the miles in. So it's just a car meet. So we're just going to drive down there, park it up. It'll be the only one there, and let people have a look at it. Really,
I think people will love it.
See what they think. I mean, it's battered, but this is the thing.
It's a battered car. New engine. Just open the new engine.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. Well, the engines cost more than the whole car at the moment, just as an FYI.
Almost double.
Yeah, it is almost double. Yeah, it's very close to double.
Look at his sad face.
I am pretty sad, but to be honest, it's very expensive. But it's going to be worth it, and I'm really looking forward to it. So anyway, ladies and gents, Nick's back. I told you he'd be in videos. And more so coming in the summer as well, when we both have a little bit more time. So yeah, what do you think? I guess.
I mean, it sounds great. I mean, you can't really. There's nothing. There's not much to say.
Revs have just nicely dropped down now.
And that's not tuned yet.
No.
So this sounds like this, and it's not even tuned at all. It's just it's probably a base map. It's just
a quick base map. Yeah, I think it's probably just factory map that has a learning from the sensors or something like that. I don't know how these work, to be honest, but it is coming back to be completely retuned on the 24th of March. That's with a Nistune board, which Horsham are very good with. So they recommended it. They said it'll be fine. So we'll get that sorted, and then it should be running about 350 horsepower. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much, ladies and gents. Take care.
Love you, bye.